everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I run two embroidery-based Etsy shops from my home office. I usually talk a lot about embroidery and Etsy businesses in general, but today I'm going to bring you guys along as I open up some packages, including an AJ Blanks pre-order and some new Sublimation blanks I'm going to be trying out soon. So let's go ahead and jump into the most exciting part, and that's the AJ Blanks pre-order that I just got in. I was very conservative when I ordered. I did not order very much, and I mostly ordered for my own daughter. But after seeing everything posted here recently, I'm kind of sad that I did not order more. But I was just trying to be conservative on spending as going into the summer months, because these are my slower months. My pretty AJ Blanks one. I did go ahead and just open that right now, and I am so excited to see these. I have not looked in here yet, just saw what other people have been posting. All right, let's see. So I got the puff sleeve shirt in lavender. There you go. And then I have the ruffle bottom bubbles. I'm super excited for these. I have some other rompers I made for my daughter that just have an initial and like some embellishment on the side, and I think I'm going to do the same thing for at least one of these. And lavender is my favorite color on her. So I got three of those. So she's going to be set on those for the summer. And then I got two of the pink ones. My daughter's kind of in between sizes right now, so I got one 12 to 18 months and one 2T. I'm going to try them both on her so I can recommend sizing for my customers. Hopefully these will remain in stock and I can get these added to my shop to at least offer for the summer. And then the ones I'm even more excited about are these new little ruffle sleeve and neckline. So there was another company that used to make them, I'm not going to name them, with this similar outline, and they've kind of discontinued them. And before I switched to ARB Blanks, this was the style I used to carry, and I loved it. This is my preference for ruffle style, and no one's made these or carried these, so I'm so super excited that AJ Blanks has added these to their shop. I hope it's something that they'll keep permanently in addition to their regular ruffle, because those are my absolute favorite. And again, I got a couple different ones just to try out. So excited for these. All right, that's it for my AJ Blanks ones. Like I said, I was kind of conservative and I'm kind of regretting not ordering some to stock for my shop. But I'm going to give these a try and see how they fit for my own daughter. And then hopefully if there's extras and it looks like they're going to stay stocked for the summer, I'm going to start adding these to my shop as options. So next is my ARB Blanks. And I think this is just a restock, nothing too awful exciting. Literally just a restock, all size 6 puff sleeve, so nothing exciting there. The next thing I'm excited about to show you guys is something I ordered off of Amazon. So I really don't do a lot of heat press type items, vinyl items, but it's something that I've had a lot of requests for my nurse shop. So I'm going to start doing some testing hopefully this summer while I'm a little bit slower. But in order to do that testing, I needed some new pressing pillows. So I'm excited to start showing that. I really needed this one right here in front. I have the one that's like a bigger one already on my heat press. I've had it for many years. I use it all the time, but I really needed this long one that's considered like an arm or a pant leg one, because I've had a lot of requests to do designs down the arms of jackets, and that's just not something I've been comfortable offering in the past. I just haven't experimented and found what works best on the jackets that I offer currently, but I like to save back ones that are oops items, and I'm going to start using those and doing some testing on them. So So the next thing you may have already seen me show before. I posted like a little short clip or video about it, but it is this rainbow fabric from Hobby Lobby. My favorite fabric, and it's in my most popular unicorn design. I finally found more of this a couple weeks ago at Hobby Lobby. So to anyone who's been looking for this, keep checking Hobby Lobby. It seems to be restocking. I've seen a lot of people post that they've been able to find it lately, so keep checking. Sounds like they have not discontinued this, so excited about that. I grabbed 3 yards that day just because it wasn't on sale, or if it was, I would have probably bought the whole bolt. But 3 yards, if I go back in there next time and it's on sale and they have some, I'll probably grab more. I don't want to run out of this ever. Then the next thing I have is some new items for my monogram shop, for my like nurse items. I've had a lot of requests from my customers to offer scrubs, but the problem was my type of business I have, like without a storefront, I did not qualify for wholesale accounts with scrub companies. But one of my suppliers now has scrubs, and a really brand name nice scrubs. So I'm gonna I ordered one in of each style of jacket, and I'm gonna be testing these, doing some stitch testing, make sure I got my stabilizer right, and how it looks after I wash them, and then hopefully add to these to my shop this summer. I'm really hoping these will be a big hit. So the first one is just a zip style scrub jacket. This is like a scrub material, but it is pretty thin, a little thinner than what I'm used to working with. And then just the more traditional button front scrub jacket. This is more of a traditional scrub material in my opinion. All right, so the last couple things I have to show you guys are new shirts I've ordered to test for sublimation. Like I've mentioned in the past, I have a sublimation printer. I just don't utilize it, and I really should. It's a waste of ink just to have it sitting there doing its daily maintenance and not actually using it, and that's very costly. So I'm going to start trying to add some sublimation items to my shop. It'd be faster than embroidery things to add, so just to diversify my shop a little bit. So the first style, this one's an 80% polyester. These are unisex. It's a super light gray, so I'm going to test to see how colored images look on this light of a gray color. I'm not sure if I'll like it or not, but it's worth testing out. And I bought 2 sizes in these. I bought a unisex medium and a small to try myself, so I can give my customers my opinion on it. And then these next, 4 shirts are all the same style. And they are also like this light gray color. I think these are 75% polyester. So I'm going to try them and again see how colored images work on this color of gray. It's a pretty light gray. I'm hoping it'll work okay as long as I'm careful what colors I'm using. They are like a short sleeve raglan. I think they do come in solid colors, but I tried these out. I thought these might be a good last minute quick thing to add for last minute 4th of July or patriotic orders, if I can do like a monogram on them or something. So I did a gray and red one. I got 2 in gray and like a lighter royal blue. Again, I ordered 2 sizes so I could try them out myself. And then this last one is a darker gray with black. This one I don't think is going to work well for sublimation. I think it's just too dark of a color, and I don't want to bleach these. I might try to do just like a design that's solid black wording and see if that comes out okay on these, and is contrasting enough on this darker color to work. But I don't think I'll put like a colored design on these. All right guys, thanks so much for joining me today for this quick little haul video. It wasn't a lot of supplies, just some new items I might be adding to my shop soon. So you might see them in upcoming videos as I'm working on making new items. If you guys like this type of video, let me know below. I do have plans to do some videos in the future as I'm reordering supplies so you can see all the supplies I use. I just haven't needed to order supplies here lately, so nothing to show there yet. But give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.